Good morning, everyone. My name is Winter Villatarte, and this is my presentation about Julius Caesar.
Okay.
Introduction. Julius Caesar was the great Roman warrior, a great leader and thinker, and he changed the course of history. But he was known for his strong army skills and brave decision in battle. Caesar led Roman soldiers to many victories and helped expand the Roman Republic. Because of his power and influence, he became one of the most famous figures in ancient Rome. His life and actions still access history, politics, and leadership today. This is the goal of Julius Caesar. The goal of Julius Caesar was to strengthen and expand Rome. He wants to bring more lands under the Roman control, protect the Rome from its enemies, and make the government more stable. Caesar also aimed to gain power so he could lead Rome and make change that change that he believed could improve the lives of Roman people. The background of Julius Caesar. Julius Caesar was born into a noble Roman family in Rome. Even though his family was not very rich, it had a respected name in Roman society. When he was young, Caesar showed strong interest in politics and military life. He studied speaking and leadership, which helped him to gain support from the people. As he grew older, Caesar joined the Roman army and proves that himself as a brave and smart warrior. His success in battle made him popular with soldiers and citizens. He later became a political leader and used his military victories to gain power in Rome. His background as a soldier, leader, and politician shaped him into one of the greatest warriors in history. The objectives: to expand Roman territory through military conquest, to protect Rome from its enemies, to gain strong support from the Roman army and people, to bring order and stability to the Roman government, to strengthen his power so he could lead Rome effectively. Conclusion. In conclusion, Julius Caesar was a great warrior whose leadership and courage changed Roman history. Through his military victories and strong leadership, he expanded Rome's power and gained the loyalty of his soldiers and people. Although his rise to power caused conflict and led to his death, his influence did not end there. Julius Caesar's life left a lasting impact on Rome and helped shape the future of Roman Empire. That's all. Thank you.